Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to take a screenshot on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a couple of different ways on how you can go about this. If you want to first start, you can tap the Windows, Shift, and S key on your keyboard at the same time. So again, Windows, Shift, and S. And then you can draw a shape, or you could just do the full window here. So if you go to Window Snip, or you can also do a full screen snip here as well. And you just took one, and it's been copied to our clipboard, as you can see. So if you had an application like WordPad or Microsoft Word, you could paste it in, like you see right here. So that's one thing you could do. So again, that's the Windows, Shift, and the S key. Something else you can do as well, if you open up the Snipping or Snip and Sketch tool, you can go ahead and open that up. And it would work in a similar way as well. You could do specific windows, full screen, or rectangular mode. Again, it would work in a very similar fashion, like I said. And then you could save it, modify it, open it up in Paint, do whatever you want with it, basically. So pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.